So in this explanation video, we're going to talk about arrays and how it relates to pictures, or at least editing pictures in Java. So first, of course, we have some declarations to make. Right here we are saying that pixel array is related to this, and we're getting the pixels from this and putting it into the pixel array, which is shown right here. Now these are just a bunch of random numbers that I've thrown in there, but it's to sort of demonstrate what this pixel array is. The next thing we're declaring is a pixel element called pixel, and this will hold temporarily the data in the pixel array. So this is what we would call a simple memory, since this is just something that's kind of a placeholder or temporary holder, whereas the pixel array itself is derived from something, a file or some other process earlier on in the program. And then we're also declaring an integer called index, and that's going to help us move along this array. So I'm using a while loop. This might look familiar. It's from the homework. And it's while the index is less than the pixel array length, it's going to take pixels from the pixel array and put it into pixel for whatever the index is. Starting index is 0. So, we're going to take these numbers and put them in there. So those are being held temporarily, and we're now at index 0. And then it's going to set color to black. So these are all going to be set to 0 over here. So that'll be 0, 0, and 0. And then index is equal to index plus 2. So it's actually going to skip the 1 and move over to index 2, at which point, it'll start the loop all over again and set these back to 0. So, well, first it'll get these numbers in here, and then we'll go to set color black, so there'll be 0, 0, 0, and then that'll be copied down here into space number 2, so on and so forth. So that's basically how pixel arrays work through this kind of memory map that I've drawn in Excel. I hope this was informative. I know it was for me, just writing this out there. Have a good night. Bye.